Hello Hasnein, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for 2015 Honda Stateline. This motorcycle is American, has 1,200 miles, and the price is at $12,499 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is kind of new, still haven't broken in yet, and it's available at this time. All the stock, the nice blue shaft transmission, and so in the classic style with the bigger fender. Bike looks like brand new, and this, as I said to you, is available. If you have some time, please give me a call and we can secure this motorcycle for you. And on behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacts.